Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Michael Carrick don't come as I can talk about people who go fit end for the top four. So you can the way Tottenham Hotspur chances, on the way Arsenal chances. So as in the talk for a podcast, so Baba can talk say he go prefer to dey for Arsenal position than to dey for Spurs position, because as it stands now, Spurs they chase Arsenal, you get. But Arsenal now they lead the race and Arsenal get everything in their front, you get. If Arsenal no enter for top four now, Arsenal hand it, because why you call talk like this now? Because of the juicy encounter will go happen next. You know, so Arsenal go play Leeds, where on paper is regarded as a smaller tie. Then Tottenham Hotspur they face Liverpool, which on paper is regarded as a very heavy tie. You get all the old bookmakers, nobody give Tottenham Hotspur any chance. Everybody is expecting them to lose or draw. You get nobody see them winning, unless maybe something miraculous will happen. But I don't think it will happen, because the people who really need the match most now be Liverpool, because then they pursue title. Tottenham Hotspur they pursue top four. So when Baba can check all these variables, don't say almost saying go give them to Arsenal, but now make Arsenal no disappoint us, especially now when we say it matter most. And like what Juka would always talk, say the first three small games, all those kind of Brighton, Southampton, Crystal Palace, we were expected to win, we no winner. Then the next three, all those Manchester United, Chelsea and West Ham, we can't even sandwich between each other. What would they expect? So we even drop points, no can't drop points, we can't win those ones. Now against elite side, they fight for their life. Are we going to win or are we going to draw? I never know how it will be. I don't want to make what happen to Chelsea against Everton can't happen to us. My prayer is to make Arsenal collect 3 points. If we collect that 3 points, we go dey very, very crucial. At least we go dey in a rich vein of form as we want enter the almighty North London derby. At least it go position us well, so that if we enter that derby, we no go to the come outside. You get, we just relax and give them counter attack. But if to say na Spurs dey ahead of us now we go come go outside now, so we won't go dey attack them. That North London derby, well, we'll dey watch. Fulham don gain promotion to Premier League and we dey very, very happy with them. And one thing we make Fulham stand out now, one of their strikers, what they call, I think Mitrovic or something. The guy don score almost 40 goals for championship. The guy don score almost every match. I don't come understand. Well, now making come EPL, I'm also whether go replicate that kind of form. So we are saying welcome to them. As all those kind of Norwich and Watford don't cement their place, say that they go relegation, they go championship. Fulham themselves don't come over, then the rest go do playoff. And last we go know the remaining two teams with the game promotion they come to. What they watch. Away from that, our monitoring spirits wey they call the Times don't come outside. They let us know say Inter Milan they willing to let Lautaro Martinez join any club for 60 to 70 million pounds. I know say Arsenal self don't indicate their interest, say they like to carry Lautaro Martinez. So now we know say if una wan sign this guy, say maybe una wan use and replace Aubameyang, or maybe na Lacazette una wan use and replace. See how much it will cost now, 60 to 70 million pounds. Now the question is, should Lautaro Martinez be worth 60 to 70 million pounds? That's the almighty question. For me, instead of buying a Lautaro Martinez for that kind of ridiculous price, why not go for a Darwin Núñez for the same price and get him? Now what me I think? I don't know what I think. How do I see this Lautaro Martinez matter? Sure, it makes sense. Most sign for that kind of amount. And away from that, so Kevin Campbell will be one of former Arsenal players and a super pundit now. So Baba can talk about Tammy Abraham. So Baba can talk say the price tag where Mourinho they talk say that kind of 80 million pounds because the guy don't score 20 something goals for like Serie A. Say that price tag is very, very high. I think they see the price tag pursuing Arsenal from buying the guy. Say number one, the guy know they what that price gets. Say no doubt he's a good player. Nobody they argue and say whether he's good or not. But the question, just like the question I asked for Lautaro Martinez, is Tammy Abraham worth 80 million pounds? If the time Mourinho say make him buy 80 million pounds, she ain't go buy him. I don't know. Make him just come and tell us say we are not selling. Instead of putting a ridiculous price there, maybe people can bid for him. How many people even they bid for him in the first place? Nobody asked now they interested. Who else? Who else even they disturb the guy? And the guy himself saying that EPL he won't come even if he won't move because London now home. And if they come EPL, now London he won't come. He gets because family they London. So the question now is whether even Chelsea self will trigger their buyback clause. But Chelsea put a buyback clause for a contract. So okay, this guy will perform well in the future. We'll still buy and come back. So I never really know how everything will solve. More the watch. On my monetary spirit wey dem dey call the Express don come outside dey let us know say Man City don set 40 million price tag on Gabriel Jesus. Say anybody wey wan buy am. From wetin we dey hear from our sources, we dey hear say Man City never even open any contract extension talks with Gabriel Jesus, which means they are willing to let him go to anybody wey dey willing to pay. In the past, we dey think say na that kind 30 million pounds, 25 million pounds, but now we don dey hear their valuation 40 million pounds for a Jesus. So what do you guys think? Shey that 40 million, is it too much or is it too little? I would see many people dey ask, so I don't know. I say make I bring the question come on our attention, because for me, I don't think it is too much. You get, more just sign am. You get, it's still okay. At least if we use am as a second fringe striker, like replacing Lacazette. Just Lacazette will be our main striker when Aubade. So replace Lacazette with Gabriel Jesus. Then look for a super duper striker, as in hot property, to replace Aubameyang. They will come look for somebody else, maybe a winger like Cody Gakpo or somebody else to replace an Nketiah with dey like 90% to leave. You get, so that is all the things wey dey happen for my head. I don't know what una say the thing. How una take see all this our striking mix? You get, okay, una think say we buy this guy and Lautaro Martinez 60-70 million pounds, Tammy Abraham 80 million pounds. How una see all these things going? If na if you Arteta or if you Edu Gaspar or Richard Garlic, which striker you go fit sanction? Say okay, I play say this guy price still dey okay. Oh yeah, Arteta more reason this guy. Who you go fit sanction make them buy? Yuri Tillemans don come outside dey tell im friends wey dey around am say he no wan stay for EPL if he dey move, say he wan go Spain. So all those kind of Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, na them in the reason. Why? I don't know why. Because me dey feel say the guy for still remain for EPL wey I don't know am. I don't know why he wan japa go La Liga. Well, na him own choice. If he wan go, well, go do the house of bad rubbish. No go the beggar. We still get Awa, we still get Bissouma, we still get even Declan Rice now. But even say make Arsenal even reason the guy. But this one we say David Moyes and the Hamas hierarchy they talk say na 100 million pounds. Now they wan sell am. If not, Declan Rice is also a very good DM and the deep line playmaker wey dey even the bomb shots, just like Ruben Neves. But the overpriced fee wey they come put for him head, na gonna spoil everything. My super monitoring spirit wey they call Gianluca Di Marzio, wey dey work for Sky Sports Italia, don come outside dey let us know say Juventus the reason say dem go like to carry Gabriel Magalhaes and they wan use a pawn to just ginger Arsenal, get to tempt Arsenal. They wan give us Otomelo and some money, so they go give them Gabriel Magalhaes. So I don't know whether Arsenal go even reason this one. I mean, say them know say Arsenal like Otomelo and we almost signed the guy for January. Now until Juventus coach Massimiliano Allegri come talk say no, Saints still wan use Otomelo for him own lineup. That is why we no come sign the guy. But moving forward, I don't know what's in there for them Arteta head, but I don't think this deal can work. It can never work at all. Like we giving them Gabriel Magalhaes, they whine me. Why would we do like that? Gabriel Magalhaes now like number, even they fit to number one name for the team sheet now. Nobody they arguing for that centre back you get, unless maybe he get injury. Now we can't sell him. But everything we do for us this season, no, it's not possible. On my monetary spirit, they call Football Insider self, when they let us know say Everton they willing to cash in on Richarlison, because you know say as them day now, then they suffer. You get, if they survive this relegation battle now, let's say they don't go relegation, you get, say them go like to cash in on the guy to infuse more people in the squad. And they believe say they go cash in on Richarlison, cash in on Dominic Calvert-Lewin to bring more money, so that they go buy more players. You get all those kind the Dele Ali them. I no come know Dele Ali come up for Tottenham Hotspur, come Everton. I no come see impact. You get, even Donny van der Beek, I don't think so I see that one impact. I think that one still now on loan, but no obligation to buy. So I don't just understand a whole almighty Everton be say normal every season at the end that kind maybe 15 or 10. You know they high up. Now they can't fight for relegation with 4 matches to go. Then they for the 17th position. This one a battle. So I believe say if they won't sell the guy, what do you think? Shemo could go for Richarlison, because imagine using a Richarlison to replace a Pepe. You know go be upgrade. Now what me I think? You go be upgrade now. Either use a Richarlison or use a Zaha or a Cody Gakpo to replace a Pepe. We know they too useful. It's not that pacey. It's not reliant. You know it's still in acclimatization phase. So I don't go understand. Well, what the watch as everything is up. Gianluca Di Marzio yourself don't come again. Come they talk say Napoli no go sell Osimhen to Arsenal for nothing less than 83.7 million pounds. You get. And some people they talk saying that kind of 100 million that Napoli they expect for the Osimhen. How good is this Osimhen? Like, is it worth 100? Some people just they throw 100 million, like 100 million water. How good is it? Worth 100 million pounds? Is it that mobile? Osimhen no be mobile player for me muscle everywhere, gra everywhere. You know they mobile, you know they do like ball, kpak, see Gabriel Jesus, kpak, Darwin Nunes, all those spacey players where they will dribble anybody, kpak, move, go out, those kind of things. Osimhen a power they use, one man, you know. So I don't know, 100 million pounds. Are you whining me? I will call a year in the past say Manchester United don't even bid 100 million pounds for Osimhen. The problem now come be say Osimhen no one play for any club, we no dey for Champions League. That is why just like say when we dey bid for Vlahovic, they put plenty money. The guy no join us because no dey Champions League. Irrespective of saying our money na big pass Juventus money, he can't go join Juventus. Now the same thing can happen to Osimhen now. If Arsenal does enter this Champions League, confirm, say it's confirmento. The guy fit on the reason us, but that transfer fee is going to be a stumbling block because I don't see Arsenal spending 100 million on an Osimhen. I mean, when they see him, maybe I may not see where. When they see Arsenal spending that kind of money on this kind of player. On my way from that, Manchester United and Arsenal, they monitor Max Aaron's situation for Norwich. This guy na confirmed right back. The guy they play very, very well. I know say Norwich, they don't go relegation, confirmed already. They don't go relegation. So people like Max Aaron's now, we think whether he go stay with them for championship or he go come join another club. So the guy did very, very good. So after they really say, okay, we go buy him as a proper deputy for Tomiyasu. The guy good though. With all this reason I'm saying is before they go relegation, nobody else, many people they reason now. Like man, you want use the guy provide competition for Wan-Bissaka. For our own now, you know say Cedric Suarez, we just need a third right back at least because we play multiple competition next season, so we need all the best legs and all the help we can get. So how na take see this Max Aaron's? I mean, I know they talk say he don't go relegation. Rams they go relegation like 2 times, so not be by relegation, now by his individualistic traits, his features, his attributes. How good is he? His skills. Now what I will check. Now what I will take Georgia. I'm a Daily Star journalist wey they call Paul Brown. So if don't come as I can't let us know say for this summer, saying they see Arsenal breaking their transfer record for a striker. Like he's seeing them pumping money on a striker, on a hitman, on a prolific striker, on a big name where people know, where people will fear. So now what's in the think. And myself I buy that idea because I think I know what will suffer for this season for Aubameyang hand. You know what will suffer for Lacazette's hand. We'll be so going to depend on Nketiah now. We don't still they give us the goods, even though his movements, his mobile, but the goal go. Now what we want the year. Nobody they do it. We are relying on our wingers, on anybody shot. Our team they rely on goals from anywhere. Centre backs they chip in, midfielder they chip in, strikers, everybody try your best. But next season we don't want it to be like that. We want to have a hitman who will not say, see what these Spurs they do with Kane now, Kane and Son. You will not say then and then they score most of the goals. That is why it's supposed. That's how it's supposed to be. It's your job description as a striker to hit the ball in the back of the net. It's your job. Nobody leave am for your defender, so it has to turn up. You get. See what teachers they struggle with Lukaku. Lukaku is a bully striker that cannot score for them because he's a round peg in a square hole. So we too need to sign a round peg in a round hole. Sign somebody who's very mobile, very prolific. Person will say if defender say and they will fear. Now what thing we need, and I believe it for Brown talk. We will spend money well for this summer. Away from that, sports mode will be one of our monitoring spirits. Come as I can let us know. Say Arsenal will try to make one last ditch effort to convince Nketiah to sign a new contract again. This is what I'm saying. Don't they give him playing time? They hope say maybe that playing time will fit ginger the guy. They may sign new contract. Maybe they still keep the guy, even though Lacazette fit go, and they will fit keep Nketiah because we'll still play cups, we'll still play some kind games, and we need Nketiah. But if na me be Nketiah, Nashi I would like to join because at the end of the summer, Arsenal is going to buy more firepower. I'll come with surplus of requirements, come dey below the pecking order. So if na me, I would like to join. If na you be Nketiah, or Nketiah and your brother, I go fit advise and say making sign new contracts. When you know say Arsenal go sign more striking reinforcements. So what will be your own verdict? What you go fit tell Nketiah if na you be Nketiah brother, or if na you be Nketiah, what you go do with Arsenal? So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week. And I get out.